how to simplify your life and live it with intention.
Hey Mina Venner, it's Heather with Tidy Life, and I've got 7 tips for you. My 6th tip is to conduct self-check-ins to stay on track. This could be each night before bed or once a week. Either way, it gives you the opportunity to evaluate your progress. How are you doing with your strategies? Is your vision posted where you can see it? What's working well for you? And where are you having trouble? Are you being consistent with your strategies? Or maybe you need an accountability partner. Try making appointments with yourself and using your calendar reminders to help keep you accountable and stay consistent. If that doesn't work, you can always enlist the help of a family member or a friend, or even a professional if you need to. Be patient. Change takes time. There's a reason they say old habits die hard. So slow down and take the time to be present and really enjoy this journey of personal growth that you're on. Don't be ashamed to restart your habits if you get off track. If at any point you feel like your goal wasn't everything you expected it would be, that's okay. You can change your course. It's all a learning process. I want you to feel productive and successful, so celebrate those little steps towards your goals. You're closer to your goal today than you were yesterday. Thanks, everyone. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at TidyLifeGot. See you next time for tip number 7. Hej då!